All right, there is Fred's second knife. It's not finished. I just got it on a belt grinder. I mean, it looked like this a second ago. Now I took all I'm going to take off on the belt grinder. Now it's all hand sanding, but I got to tape up this blade and then go to hand sanding. I'll have this, and this done before lunch. And then I will take it to the house, put 2 or 3 coats of True Oil on it, and it will be done. Same as this. This gets True Oil tape. It will look like that when it's done. Okay, this is next. Okay, these are now sanded up to 180. Now, from here on to 800 is fairly quick. All I'm doing is just sanding out the scratches from the previous grip. And then the handle shaping is done. So the rest goes fairly quick. Here's Fred's other knife, the cherry. I'm going to like that with some True Oil on it. It's going to look real nice. And I love this bird's eye maple. I always have. Okay, I'm going to drink a cup of coffee and then finish these 2 knives and bring them to the house and start the True Oil process. Okay, focus. I decided to put these on the buffer to see what they would look like. This is the cherry. Maybe I'll try that without the light, see what happens. No, not flashing. There we go. You off? Okay. Oh, you focus. Huh. I wonder if there's something on my lens. Let me shut this off and wipe off my lens. Okay, I like it. I like it. So, Fred, there's your second knife. Now, what I do, I have some Renaissance wax that I put on the metal. And then these unstabilized handles, I have butcher's wax. It's what they use on bowling alleys and wood countertops and stuff like that. I rub that in really good on these. I'll let it dry hard. Then I take a soft cloth and I buff it up real good. What is my wife doing? Huh. She's messing with a dryer vent. I don't know what's going on over there. Okay, and here's the bird's eye maple. And this is Jeff Bacon's knife. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put the wax on now. These 2 are ready for sheaths, so that's what I'm doing next. I'm going into the sheath shop. Probably do that tomorrow. Here's why. My wife needs me to go to the pharmacy to pick up our drugs, to the bank to cash a check, and something else. I had to do so. Oh, I need to go to the store and get some eggs. I'm out of eggs. Okay. This is Blake's PC Special with that synthetic hybrid wood and resin. This is Fred's number 1. Tasmanian, some kind of Tasmanian something or other wood. Fred's number 2. That's cherry. That is Jeff's. That's bird's eye maple. This is Phil's. Neck knife. Some kind of ebony, something, African something or other. And this is Blake's. He bought 2 knives. This is, it's either lace wood or leopard wood. I can't remember. You see that right there? That is why I'm buying a $1,000 machine to drill holes. See, that's got a slight halo to it. This one slightly ovaled. Okay, tomorrow I make sheaths. I'm going to start with these. These will be the ones I can do the fastest, the 2 Kydex sheaths. And this is my choice, so I know what I'm going to do. Flat dark earth. And this is olive drab green with camouflage cord. And I got the camouflage cord right here. It's going to look real nice. And then these 3 are dinner skinner sheaths. That's a BC special sheath. Okay, see you tomorrow. I gotta go to the drugstore. Okay, I just Googled everything. This is lace wood. That is African blackwood. Bird's eye maple, cherry, Tasmanian blackwood curl. That's stabilized. That is maple burl synthetic resin. Okay, finally I know the names of these things.